Hi guys, how to download Crossfire in PC. Now open your web browser, Google Chrome works best, and search for the Smilegate website. This first step is quick, but using the right search term saves you from fake links. Click the official Smilegate link. Here's a critical move. Change the website language to English, go to the Game tab, select Crossfire, scroll down, click the Go to Website button, and finally click Play for free. Don't skip the language step, or you'll get stuck. Click the download button on the official Crossfire page to save the installer to your .pc. Keep watching. The next step shows where to save it so you don't lose the file. Open the downloaded file, choose your installation location, any folder works, but pick one you'll remember, and click Next to let the game install. This takes a couple minutes, so be patient. After installation finishes, open the game folder, find the Crossfire app, and double-click it to complete the final setup. And that's it. You're ready to start playing. Hit subscribe for more game install guides and comment below if you get stuck.